Hi, John Ozzy, AudaCity Capital here. We're looking at the account today of one of our FTP traders, Kamil. Kamil's been trading with us from the 26th of February 2021 up until the present day of 15th of March 2021, and we're looking at the last account trading date of the 12th of March 2021. Looking at Camille's account, Camille's achieved a very unique record here based on statistics. Camille has only traded 18 times in the last month, and it's less than a calendar month. And Camille's achieved a daily gain of 0.82% with a drawdown of 2.71% and on level 2 managing 30,000 US dollars. How did Camille do this? Looking at the drawdown, Camille has never touched a negative deficit. And as we can see, it's 3.68% down, 6.9, but all in positive territory. The worst Camille's been down by is 2.71%. And that's on a positive note, not on the negative, because for us to have a negative deficit, we'll be having drawdown beneath the 0% line. So Camille is very disciplined from looking at these statistics with his trading. And looking at the summary now, let's look at the advanced analytics first. 18 trades in total. Camille has won 14 out of 18, and this is a record on its own. Camille is 78% profitable. He's only lost 4 of 18, which is quite a record. So with this mindset, this trading plan or strategy Camille's using, clearly Camille has something that works. So I'm just curious to see what pairs Camille traded to achieve this milestone. The common theme amongst our traders are the pound pairs, but we're yet to see until we click on the summary and see what he's traded. And just as I thought, Camille is a specialist. Camille's only traded two pairs, the pound US dollar and the US dollar Swiss franc. And to my, is very good. This is very unique. Camille's traded 11 times on on the pound US dollar, gone long. I made 239.5 pips, which is a total of 1146. And he's only shorted it 6 times. Has made 137350. And he's taken the US dollar Swiss franc. He's done 52.3 pips and 283. In this now, Camille's only lost 4%, just 24% overall of the 76, 13 to 4. Clearly, we can see this is a high reward, low risk scenario. So Camille's a specialist in what he does, and I'm pretty much sure Camille's been trading the full lot size of 0.5. And just to my expectations, that's what Camille's been doing, 0.5 all the way, because I can't see any trader that can trade consistently with that sort of record and maintain it. And funny enough, all the trades here are just on one trade, very transparent. So moving on to the next level, we can see the one lot size here. But Camille has just been trading straight and looking at it, although Camille's only lost 4 trades, the 4 trades I can count, I don't even want to count the 4th trade. That's just based on his new level here. But if we discount the current trade that he's done from the 3rd of the 12th of the 3rd, Camille's actually got a very high streak. He's only lost 3 trades, just 3. So altogether it's 14. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take away that 5, we have 9. Camille has only lost, it's on 3 out of 6 trades. Out of 9 trades is very good. He's only lost 3 out of 9 trades. I don't know what to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus take away those. That 13 take away that loss. Camille's only lost 3, so 10 to 13. And if we add these trades now, these are just the new trades that he's taken on board. That's not really been reflected on the balance. Kamil is on a very good streak and a profitable trader. So Camille, less is more. I can't say anything else apart from congratulations on your achievement. You're a well-disciplined trader, and a lot of traders can be inspired by this and see the importance of discipline and consistency and having a plan. And Camille, I'll be definitely making a note of your account because traders like yourself do represent a lot in terms of experience where less is more. And I look forward to reviewing your future accounts because I know this is not the end of your journey. And I wish you all the best. And I'm looking forward to reviewing your account on a six-figure level in the near future.